Back to the courtroom for former President Donald Trump today as day 7 of his criminal hush money trial got underway.
And today, former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker was back on the stand revealing details about an alleged scheme to help Trump's image. Fox 31's Talia Cunningham recapping what happened for us, all new at 9. Talia.
Well, Erica, David Pecker admitted in court today that he was involved in what's called a catch and kill scheme. So basically scooping up and burying any negative or potentially damaging stories about Trump, paying out tens of thousands of dollars to silence people and keep any scandals from the public eye. So at the center of this hush money trial, as we know, in New York, is Stormy Daniels, an adult film actress, and Karen McDougal, a Playboy model, who both claim they had affairs with the former president. Pecker said he was involved in this catch and kill deal with Trump and Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen. In court today, Pecker testified that he purchased the rights to McDougal's story, which is her alleged year-long affair with Trump, for $150,000 because he didn't want the story to embarrass Trump or hurt the campaign. But he put his foot down when it came to Stormy Daniels and didn't want to get involved, pointing the finger at Cohen, again, that's Trump's former lawyer, for that $130,000 payment. Trump saying the whole trial is a witch hunt.
It was breathtaking that this room, you saw what went on, it was breathtaking and amazing testimony. This is a trial that should have never happened. This is a case that should have never been filed.
Pecker eventually backed out of the reimbursement deal with Cohen for the rights to McDougal's story over legal concerns. Also interesting today, Pecker did admit this wasn't his first rodeo with this catch and kill scheme. He testified that he was involved in similar matters for Arnold Schwarzenegger during his run for governor of California. Pecker also testified that after the payment was made to the Playboy model, Trump had a closed-door meeting with him and asked, quotes, "How's our girl doing?" Meanwhile, prosecutors argue that Trump broke the court's gag order, so now it's up to a judge to rule on whether or not to hold him in contempt of court. In studio, Talia Cunningham, Fox 31.
All right, Talia, thank you.